guys, welcome back. I'm so glad you're with me. JB here. I have got some fun ones today. These are the UBLives compression boots. I know it's been a while. I've run a marathon. I put a couple shorts up, but I haven't done a video, and I got a lot to catch up with. So we're going to get a bunch catching up. But these are the UBLive compression boots. And I just want to tell you how awesome they were after the marathon. Cut to this. Hey guys, I just ran my marathon and I'm cranking my compression boots. I'm sitting in the back of my car. It feels really amazing. I have to tell you, these things are the best invention ever. I am so happy with these things. My legs are feeling like, I had a really hard marathon. And these things, I'm just sitting in the back of my car. And I think everybody that runs a marathon, if they had a pair of these, they'd be in heaven. Wow, awesome. Big ringing endorsement for them. All right, more on the review. Okay, so as you can see, I had just run a marathon at mile 17. I'll do a breakdown at some point, but I had a growing muscle pull. And so for the last 9 miles, it was brutal. It hurt so bad. In the back of the car, I had these. And I put these on for about 30 minutes before I had a 3-hour drive back home. And ever since then, I've been using them almost every night to massage and also to just relax my legs and compress my legs. And I just feel they do a great job kind of with myself as an athlete, kind of, getting that massage kind of feeling of the legs. Now, with that being said, these were sent to me to review. They knew I was running a marathon. I am not getting paid by them. I'm not endorsed by them. They didn't tell me anything to do with the video. They just sent them to me to use, right? So I've been using them and I'm really impressed. Now, what's really cool, the tech, is this little, they each come with a little control module, and these just click in here. Really easy, they click in. And this is like a little compressor. So when you turn it on, it's pretty interesting. You got a couple things you can do. Sequence, which kind of takes it around, moves it around. Circulation, for those people that have problems with circulation, varicose veins, that type of stuff. And then they have the whole leg. That's what I use, and I'll show you in a minute how I use it. They also have time, okay? So you can do 10 minutes, 20 minutes, 30 minutes, and the pressure can go all the way up to 5, okay? So it's a really cool, really easy thing to use. You shut it off right there. Very simple. In fact, I'll tell you the first day that I got these, and we'll do an unboxing video at the end, so if you want to stay, you'll see my unboxing before I even tried these. But the first day that I got these, I put these on, and I put it on like 3. I thought my legs were going to explode. I want to show you this video. Okay, guys, we got the unboxing done. We got the units. So we got the bag, right? So in the bag, then what you do is you take out the 2 compression units. So we got one there and got one here. I'm going to show you like my first ever feel with one, which I never have. So we're going to plug one in, okay, right here. We just line up the holes and plug it in. Okay, there's one. I'm not going to unzip them. I just put them on once I get them in place, okay? Here's another one. Okay, so they're both there. We turn them on. There's one. There's 2. Okay, so we have the pressure and we have the mode. So I'm going to go ahead and put them on. Okay, so here goes the first one. Okay, there's one. Here goes the next one. Okay, feet are in. They're starting to go. Let's see, what mode do we want to go on? You can hear them. Oh, that's pressure. And that's how you take it up and down. Okay. And then we can go circulation, whole. We're going to go whole. Let's try whole. It takes a minute for it to fill up. There they go. They're filling up now. You can hear that? This one's on 22. Let's take the pressure down to a 3 here. Okay, pressure's 3. It says 19 minutes. They're starting to fill up. Very interesting. I'm going down to 1. That is tight. Ow. That's pretty freaking tight. Oh, how tight that's supposed to be. Okay, there we go. Okay, so that was the first time that I used them. And now that I've gotten used to them, I go to about 4, every once in a while 5. I really don't need to go all the way there. But these little things are surprisingly efficient. It takes about a minute for it to really get full, full pressure. And then when it's done, it just, again, you just take it, it just snaps on here, and then it just pops off. Really nice design. Now, they're always running specials and doing special things for viewers. So what I'm gonna do is, I am not an affiliate. They asked me to sign up for an affiliate. I told them I don't care about that. If you wanna purchase these, I'll put the link down below, and I'll put what their current bonus is. I believe the current bonus is a recording as a bag you can get with it, which is actually a pretty good bag. The little units fit up top here, and everything fits in here. My cat absolutely loves the bag, by the way. But really great tool. It's called the UBLives Relax, okay? And again, the link's down below. And this is a compression boot that really gets the legs like almost a massage. And like I said, I have a sauna, a cold bath, a jacuzzi, for my running and my preparation. And I've really started using these more and more every day. And I can tell you, they do help. They help with the pain, they help relax the legs, and they help me with my recovery, which is what is most important to me. So I just wanted to share with you the UBLives, okay? Compression boots, these things are so cool. One of the things I will tell you is I am enjoying them. And what we could do now, if you wanna stick with the video, I'll do an unboxing so you can see everything that's in here. And again, the unboxing I did before I actually tried all these out, we'll put that at the end of the video, and you can enjoy kind of what's everything in the box in case you want to see more about that. As always, if you got any questions, just leave them down below. Love to hit you up in the comments. I love reading the comments. I usually try to get to all of them as soon as I put the video up within a day or so. But a lot of videos to catch up on. So I'll be here. Oh, and we got our planner. Our 2025 planner is amazing. I'm gonna be announcing that this week, so make sure you hit subscribe. All right, you wanna watch the rest? Watch the unboxing right now, enjoy it, and I'll be back with more videos right here on MorningCoach.com. To the unboxing. Hey guys, welcome to the channel. We got another one today that's really exciting. UBLives, this company right here, knew that I was getting ready for a marathon, and so they sent me over a couple things to unbox and to use and do a review. So we're gonna get into this. So the first thing we're gonna look at is the UBLives bag for the compression boots. So when I get down to Indianapolis, this is the bag. And oh, that's pretty good bag, man. That's solid. So it's a nice bag where you put gear in, you put your boots in, and you put these compression boots in so that after you get done training, they're battery operated, you can put them in here and you're good to go. So that's cool, nice bag. Carry the boots in. Again, these were sent to me, but I'm able to talk about them any way that I want to. So it's got a backpack and handbag or a crossbody bag. So that's kind of cool. I'm gonna throw it in the car. So after I get done with the marathon, I'm gonna put my legs in this sucker for 20 minutes before I drive home. I got a 2-hour drive after marathon. So we got a bag. First thing is the bag that came with it. It's called the AirFit Hyper Bag. Pretty cool, right? AirFit Hyper Bag. All right, so now we're gonna get into the most important part of this, UBLives.com, UBLives, and I'm glad that, they thought about me with this. These just got in here, and these are the compression boots, and I'm open to go either way with compression, okay? I'm anxious to try because I've never used them before after long runs or anything, so it'd be interesting to see, do they really make a difference? Now, a lot of people use these for circulation and for, keeping their legs, the blood flowing in their legs, as you can kind of see here on the box. So let's see what we got in the box. Let's do an unboxing here. Let's go ahead and open it up. And we can see in the box we have, okay, there we come. We got a manual. Okay, so it talks about cleaning, what you need to do with it. Pull the cloth cover on your legs, zip it up, align the holes and install it. And after installation completed, you can start to use it. And then it's got it's got an inch knee guide. It's a little controller here that gives you like intensity, short, long, and the type of massage that you want. And it talks a little bit about mode 1, relaxes muscles through airbag inflation at the bottom and top of the sequence. Circulation mode is to restore physical strength
with the inflation of the 2 airbags at the same time. And mode 3 is whole combined care, including 5-3-2 airbag inflation and other combined massage movements. So those are the moves, and I'll have to test them to see which one I like the best. But it talks about the different kinds of pain, a little bit about the brand story. Interesting device. Okay, so we have the book. Then we have, see what we got. We got one here. Okay, so this is one of the boots. Okay, as we can see, the boot's pretty long. Okay, see that boot? And then the controller fits right on there. So that's interesting. Right now, the retail price of these is $600 that I saw. So that's where I'm at with that. Okay, so let's look. I bet this is one of the controllers. Yep, that's a controller. Okay, USB-C charge right there on the bottom, which is great. And then that controller just goes in there like that, right? It just plugs into the, when you're after you charge it, see, it's in there, so it's ready to go. So there's one leg. Okay, so it comes with 2 legs. Let's see what we got here. And that's the end of the box. And so we have USB chargers, right? USB-A to USB-C chargers, and then the other boot with the control unit, okay? And I think these, you just press them here and they come off. So me and the instructions, there you go. So you just press these and it's released. So what I'm gonna do, I'm gonna go charge them up. We're gonna also do a little bit different in this review because I'm gonna run a marathon, gonna use them after. So I have to get some video out in the field, but I want to get the unboxing done so we know what we got in the box. And again, the bag really is pretty cool because with the bag, now you can take the bag and you can put everything in here, right? So you just, you got a whole bag in here. And this is a pretty standard bag like I've had before with shoes and stuff, but you got your 2 control units. You got your compression boots. Okay, you got both of your control units you can put in here, and on the side they have a little bag actually, which is better to put those in so they don't move around so much. And then you have your 2 charging cables. So you can put your 2 charging cables in there. And now you have your bag. And it is a really nice quality bag. I can tell you, the bag is super quality. And you're ready to go. And you can carry this like this, or you can do it as a backpack or a shoulder strap, which is inside. And I believe that's probably in here is the shoulder strap. So then you put it up like standard bag, right? You got a water bottle spot here and plenty of room to put things in here. And carry stuff with you. UBLive's bag. Pretty good advertising too. Smart to give a bag with the product or to sell a bag with the product because most people are going to buy that accessory, right? And of course they have their little shoe section here, which is great, where you put your shoes or a bathing suit or whatever. It's got a couple pockets to let the air out. All right, so we got the unboxing done. Let's go ahead and go upstairs. Let's get the units charged up and test out the UBLive compression boots. I love when YouTube comes up with stuff that I actually use in my running that goes along with tech. It just works out real well. So jury's out on compression, but from what I understand, it makes a big difference. I'm gonna tell you my experiences with leg pain and my long runs and how it helps me recover. That's really the key thing. All right, let's go get to it.